Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are a new subscriber as well. So you guys, jumping in today's video. Today's video is brought to you guys by Irresistible Me. I'm going to be telling you guys a bit about the company later on in the video, but just to show you guys the hair, y'all, you do get 4 clips with this wig. You also get an adjustable strap so you can fit this to your head size. So last but not least, let me tell you guys about the texture of the hair. Y'all, this hair was super silky. Y'all, I did not have to take a flat iron or anything to put in this hair. All I did was at the top of the wig, you know, you can see that it's a little bit bulky. So I did go in with my straightening comb, but for the most part, I was definitely surprised of how this texture was. And like I said, I love this wig, y'all. Super phenomenal. Thank you so much, Irresistible Me. And let's go ahead and get into styling the wig, just showing you guys all the products that I will be using. And then, like I said, I will be telling you guys all about the company as well.
For you every time I try to resist, we can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So just to tell you guys a bit about Irresistible Me, you guys, Irresistible Me is a company that specializes in different types of hair extensions, ponytails, wigs, you name it, they have it, okay? So they actually launched their company in 2012 in New York, as they saw it as a big opportunity to simplify like hair products. They also make it really playful and easy to shop their website, to search for quality products for everybody. Their products also help you achieve the irresistible hair, stress-free, risk-free, and zero damage transformation, you guys, as always. So basically, they want you guys to have the best experience with hair extensions that is specially tailored for you. So what I'm going to do is leave all of Irresistible Me information in my description box below. So definitely please be sure to check them out. Shop with them. Get you some tape-in, clip-ins. Y'all, get you a ponytail. Get you a wig. And then come back, let me know what you guys think about Irresistible Me, because I promise you guys they will not disappoint. I love this hair so much. It was easy to blend. It looks so natural. I love the color and the texture. Oh my god, y'all, this hair is so soft. So definitely check out my description box below, and let's go ahead and get into the rest of today's video.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Alright guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you are new, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, join the family. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.